1. The Content-Aware Fill Task Space. For years, the workings of Content-Aware Fill have been a mystery. Cross your fingers and hope for the best. Now Photoshop devotes an entire task space that puts you in control. You can specify the areas from which Photoshop samples its source pixels, while at the same time previewing the results in real time. CAF even returns its results to an independent layer. 2. Basic Math. Like Illustrator and InDesign, Photoshop can now compute simple arithmetic operations, namely addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Wondering what a number divided by 2 is? Don't. Just enter /2 and let Photoshop figure it out. 3. Preview blend modes from the Layers panel. Ever left scratching your head wondering which blend mode to apply? Well then, Deke has good news for your scalp. Go to the Layers panel, hover your cursor over a blend mode, and watch it apply on the fly. You can't help but get wise. 4. Paint multiple symmetrical brushstrokes at a time around multiple axes. 5. A revamped implementation of multiple undos. Ctrl-Z or Command-Z now steps backward, whereas Ctrl-Shift-Z or Command-Shift-Z steps forward, all without abandoning any history states.